Well, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and hopefully this won't disappoint. This is Ocean's Halo plant-based vegan beef instant noodle soup, and it is organic and vegan beef and big bowl, so a lot going on here in a big bowl. 2 noodle blocks. 2 noodle blocks. The last one of these I had, I believe I gave 0 stars to. It was that bad. The noodles were gluey. It was just a funk extravaganza. But it's got 2 noodle blocks. And then we've got, what we got here? We've got our organic vegetable packet. And it looks again like corn, bell pepper, and spring onion possibly. And then we have our vegan beef thing. And yep, it's just powder. A little bit of powder. Now, this gets microwaved for 3 minutes. With 1 1/2 cups of water. So let's get her going. And then we're going to let it sit for a minute too. So that's... Whoa, what happened here? Yeah, 1 minute. So, yeah, it's Wednesday. Wednesday, my daughter has the day off from school. So today, I'm going to take her out in the stroller. I know, she's over 5 years old. But... She's still fit. She's nice and wee, so I can push her around and do my 10-mile walk. And she's pretty happy with that, so that's nice. It's supposed to be cloudy and get up to 65 today. If it gets up to like 55, I'd be happy, because right now it's kind of chilly. It's 7:36 a.m., and the last time I looked it was like 43 degrees. So I'm crossing my fingers that it'll be nice. I really would like nice. I'll have to use my fog blocker thing. I swear, that's like the nicest thing that came out of the COVID deal. They've got these things, you wash your glasses, you dry them, you put a little bit of water on them, and then you use this cloth. And what it does, it makes it so your glasses don't fog up. And honestly, I wish I knew about this stuff, or if, I don't even know if it existed before the pandemic, but yeah, I guess the pandemic numbers are yeah, that's not good. What are you guys doing? Fix it. Fix it. Fix it. We were for a while getting a notification like once or twice, maybe even 3 times a week from the kids' schools saying that there was somebody that they didn't have close contact with, but somebody who got COVID. Now it's like once every couple weeks, pretty rare. But it seems to be kind of getting a little closer lately. So we'll see. But so far so good. Yeah, had somebody post on the Ramen Junkie group. They were like, yeah, I had to go to the ER last night, had COVID. Turns out I got COVID, so I'm staying home and I'm sick and blah, blah, blah. Making some feel better ramen. I'm like, I feel ya, hope you get better. Yeah, I've been there. I went to the ICU. It wasn't fun. But now I am feeling fighting fit like a Pokemon should. So that's good. I'm not a Pokemon. I'm not. I'm not. And now that goes for a minute. Oh, I guess I could talk during the minute. Man, I'm getting leg cramps that are like nothing else. I mean, they hurt. Got one last night. Ate a banana. Potassium. That's supposed to be good. But it's like, man, leg cramps hurt. But then again, yesterday I walked like 7 miles really fast nonstop, along with all the regular walking I do during the day, so that probably counts for it. It's funny, it's like the more walking I do every day, the faster I'm walking, and the faster I'm walking, that's good. More walking. Walking is good. Got 10 seconds left until we pull this out of the microwave-o. Oh, I hear you, happiest microwave in the world. All right, let's get you over here. Let us hope for a lovely outcome on this one. Where's the spoon? Where's the fork? I had a fork. That's a spoon. That's a spoon. That is a spoon. And here's the problem, because it's microwaved, it's burling hot. But watch. The noodles, well, they seem to be a little doner. But they definitely could use more doneness. And I guess, as they like to say, maybe if they put a little more wax in those noodles, they wouldn't stick together. No, they don't put wax in instant noodles. It would just melt. But some people think, oh, they put wax in that. They put stuff that'll kill you in that. It's like, no, they really don't. It's funny. The poor little instant noodle. Amazing, amazing invention that can end hunger around the world is considered one of the most terrifying things to many hardcore food people. But in the wrong hands, it can be a bad deal. Let's give this a try. Very gummy, very gluey. These noodles just like kind of collapse on the tooth. They just don't chew right. Like a couple chews and you got a paste. Now, it says they're beef flavor. It's the broth. Very acidic. It's a slight spiciness. I don't know if that's supposed to be spicy or if it's just like, I don't know. I'm a little uncertain of what that approximation of beef really is going on there. That's horrible, but it's not as bad as the chicken one. The chicken one was definitely a 0, but this one's, you know, the noodle is really bad and the broth is really not good. I'll give this one a 0.25, I think. I don't usually like to give scores, but like the mid-range, it's hard for me, but the bottom of the barrel, that's not too. It does have a redeeming. I mean, I would continue to eat this, I guess. If I was served this at a restaurant, I would want my money back. If I was served this by a friend, I don't know how that relationship would continue. It's like, what? Right now, my thought process, I'm like, okay, 0.25. What is that? That looks like a possible deal breaker right there. What is that? It looks like ham. I don't think it is. And it's like an enormous chunk of mushroom. Who am I fooling? That's a freaking 0. Which means that's 2 0-star reviews in a row. And that is like, that doesn't happen. Usually I'll have a 0-star, like 1 per 200 reviews gets a 0. I'm serious. It's very, very rare for me. And then here's like 2 in a row. Wow. Wow. All right. So my findings after trying 3 Ocean Halo varieties, a Thai coconut, a beef, and a chicken. The Thai coconut wasn't bad, but when they try to approximate the flavor of meat, it goes off the rails, and I want to jump off the bridge. Oh, me? What am I doing? Well, I gotta cut this up so I can scan it, because it tells you add a cup and a half, but I microwave it in this, so it's like I can't really do it up. Now, the last one of these I had was a 5-star. It's like extremes. So here, look at this. Whoa, look at that guy. What's he all about? What? This is my least favorite freaking song on this set list because there's freaking vocals. Stop it. This is Haichi Joe seafood flavored sweet potato noodle, and that's what you will see tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.